Chris E. Nelson, owner and proprietor of the product line S4L. Tell us the meaning behind S4L.
Well, the meaning behind S4L is saved for life. As it reads, you are really saved when you truly receive Jesus Christ in your life. As John 3:16 said, God so loved the world that he would give his only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life.
The concept of, say, S4L.
Well, came to life about 3.5 years ago when I took my mother to the dialysis center. She asked 3 questions all the time, and it was, did Pastor Sally preach? Did you have a good service? And did someone give their life to Christ? Help the Lord, that will happen. We had a good service, Pastor Sally's preached, and someone gave their life to Christ. And she said, thank God I'm saved. I'm saved for life. I said, yeah, Mama, once you got saved, you are saved for life. I had a design in my mind. And at that time, I wrote it down, just put it away.
Then when you put it away, what brought you back to that?
The death of my mother and the death of my sister. It came back to life. This meant how they meant so much to me. It came to life on November the 7th, 2014. How it came to life by the help of the Lord.
What is the goal with Save for Life? What do you aim to do with this product line?
The product line is to really make us ambassador for Jesus Christ. They'll ask you that question. What does Save for Life mean? And then that's your opportunity that you can share Christ to them. By just speaking, just tell them, if you truly believe in Jesus Christ, accepting as your Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, you are saved for life. It's an encouragement to those who are saved and going through. Let them know no perfect person, but you are still saved for life. Main thing, I want you to visualize this, that you can touch many lives.
What are some of the products that are offered with the S4L logo?
Well, right now, we have some t-shirts, some hoodies, and the hats. Right now, well, in the near future, we'll have some accessories. Go to the website at s4l.saveforlife.weebly.com. That is s4l.saveforlife.weebly.com.